Hey guys, just popping in here to say after 2 years, we finally did it. We hit 1,000 followers on Twitch. I just wanted to say thank you all to everyone who's been watching my streams and participating and chatting, and all the subscribers. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. It's been a lot of fun being weird, screaming, and playing a lot of video games. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys all in the next stream. Ooh, let's go!
You're welcome.
Stay alive, I'm coming for the rest,
Oh, very dank.
Ooh, let's go. I got an achievement, huge res. Oh, is that me? Ah! Yeah. I looked away for 1 second. Got him!
Eye shattered.
What?
Bye, Sean.
What?
Goodbye, Jack.
You son of a bitch! You bitch! You jump panned me!
No! I'm gonna
Oh! I'm insane! He jumped in front of me and I right clicked, dude. He's asleep!
Oh, he's sleeping! Nice, you're fucking crazy! You're fucking crazy, Sean.
I'm here! Fucking who's on them, boys? I'm on him! Still here, he's one. Break. Winnable. Let's go! On. Yo! Nice! Holy shit! Oh wait, I forgot about this move. No, I'm getting executed!
Golly.
How are you?
Somebody was.
Oh, the grand.
You fucking idiot! You fucking idiot! You thought you could assassinate me! Oh no, I'm getting assassinated again!
I haven't studied my Korean in forever.
Woohoo! Let's go!
I only know 2 streamers, Silent Mike and Gina.